Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Wi-Fi pairing issues on Wallbox Pulsar, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Wallbox Pulsar is powered on. Locate the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone or tablet. Open the Wi-Fi settings menu on your device. Look for the Wallbox Pulsar network in the available connections. Select the Wallbox network to connect to it. Once connected, open the Wallbox app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store. Log into your Wallbox account or create a new one if necessary. Navigate to the Settings menu within the app. Select Wi-Fi settings to access pairing options. Choose the option to set up a new Wi-Fi connection. The app will prompt you to select your home Wi-Fi network. Select your home Wi-Fi from the list of available networks. Enter the password for your home Wi-Fi network. Double-check the password for accuracy before proceeding. After entering the password, tap on Connect. Wait for the app to establish a connection to your Wi-Fi network. You will see a confirmation message once the connection is successful. If the connection fails, check your Wi-Fi strength and signal quality. Ensure the Wallbox Pulsar is within range of your router. Repeat the process if necessary by disconnecting and reconnecting. For persistent issues, restart your Wallbox Pulsar unit. Turn off the device, wait for a minute, and then turn it back on. Reattempt the Wi-Fi pairing process following the same steps. If problems continue, consider resetting your Wallbox to factory settings. Refer to the user manual for the factory reset procedure. Once reset, repeat the Wi-Fi connection steps from the start. If you still encounter issues, contact Wallbox customer support for assistance. Be ready to provide details about your network and the model of your Wallbox. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.